Ready to unlock your creative potential with Adobe Creative Cloud? Let's get you started. We're diving into how to redeem your Proart Creative Cloud promo code so you can jump right into your projects. First, head over to the Adobe Creative Cloud website or launch the Creative Cloud desktop app. Choose to sign in with your existing Adobe account, or sign up if you don't have one. If you are using the website, go to the upper right corner and look for the Sign In button to start. Once logged in, navigate towards your account management section. This usually has a profile, a settings icon, or something similar. It will vary based on the platform. Now, look for the Redeem Code button or a similarly labeled option. It's often found under Account or Plans. Click this button to move to the next step. You should see a field where you can enter your promo code. Carefully enter the exact code you received from Proart. Double check for any typos. Even a single mistake can cause problems. After entering the code, click Redeem or Submit. After that, the page should successfully activate the offer, possibly leading you to a new screen. This will give details on your new subscription. Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your Proart Creative Cloud promo code. Browse Adobe's range of features and tools. Now you are all set to create some amazing work.